Oh, hello there. I'm Brian. I just completed working on number 17 of the review assignment. Boom. Let's go over the problem. Sale of eggs that are contaminated with salmonella can cause food poisoning in consumers. A large egg producer takes an SRS of 200 eggs from all the eggs shipped in one day. The laboratory reports that 9 of these eggs had salmonella contamination. Unknown to the producer, 0.1%, 0.1% of all eggs shipped had salmonella. Identify the population, the parameter, the sample, and the statistic. Before we answer the question, we must understand what a population, a parameter, a sample, and a statistic is. The population is the entire group of individuals about which we want information. A parameter is a number that describes some characteristic of the population. The value of a parameter is usually not known because we cannot examine the entire population. A statistic is a number that describes some characteristic of a sample. The value of a statistic can be computed directly from the sample data. We often use a statistic to estimate an unknown parameter. A sample is the part of the population from which we actually collect information. We use information from a sample to draw conclusions about the entire population. The population is all of the eggs shipped by the producer in one day. The parameter is that 0.1% of all of the eggs shipped on that day had salmonella contamination. The sample is an SRS of 200 eggs shipped on that one day. The statistic is that 9 of the eggs in the sample were contaminated with salmonella. I love Mrs. Davidson's AP Statistics class. Hooray! High five.